Alright guys, this is question 14 of the 2018 AMC 10 Test B, and this is a incredibly easy problem if you do not get confused in the wording of the problem, okay? And there's a lot of clarifications you have to make in this, alright? So let's just jump into it. It says a list of 2018 positive integers has a unique mode. Let me underline that. Has a unique mode which occurs exactly 10 times. What is the least number of distinct values that can occur in the list, alright? So we know that a number can appear most 10 times, right? Because that's the mode, alright? So this number can appear 10 times. Let's call that number x, alright? So x can appear 10 times, and all the other numbers have to appear less than 10 times, alright? And so they're telling us that we have 2018 integers. Alright, so let's minus our 2018 integers by 10 integers, alright? Because that's our number x right there. Minus 10, and we can get 2008. So there's 2008 numbers after we subtracted our 10, our mode right here, alright? So it's 28 numbers, alright? And it's asking us for what is the least number of distinct values, alright? So you know the second most times a number can appear is 9 times, right? Because 9 is less than 10. Alright, so let's divide 2008 divided by 9. Alright, because we know that division is just repeated subtraction, alright? So we're going to divide by 9, so we go 2 right here. Get 18, 2, 0, we get 2 again. We get 18, 2, 8. I get this 3, 27, 1, 0. Then we're just going to keep getting repeated ones, right? Repeated ones. So we know that there's 220, there's one number, alright, that's x, that's our mode right there. There's 223 values, alright, x, y, z, whatever, that can appear 9 times, alright, so there's 223 values that can appear 9 times, and we know that there's one left over from these 223, right? There has to be one left over from that 223. And so what I did at first, I went straight to 223, and then I went to 224. Then I went to I chose those answers, right? Because I didn't completely verify the whole thing, all right? You have to do the whole problem before you circle an answer, okay? Just remember that, all right? And so there's this one left over from that 223, and this has to be distinct from this, alright? Because if this was part of the 223 right here, then we wouldn't have a unique mode, right? But we need a unique mode. So, thus, the least amount of distinct values that can occur in the list are 1 plus 223 plus 1, which is 225. I know I kind of stuttered a little bit in the video, but just rewind the video to go back to see how I really did the problem, okay? And you'll get a better understanding. Here's the answer.